Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Los Angeles, California. Los Angeles, LAX. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 1 swimming pool, airport shuttle, free parking, Wi-Fi, pet-friendly, family rooms and a non-smoking rooms. Moments from Los Angeles International Airport. This motel in Inglewood, California offers free Wi-Fi, an outdoor swimming pool, and a free airport shuttle. Motel 6 Los Angeles LAX features interior halls and coin laundry facilities. Guests will appreciate free local calls at this pet-friendly property. Free wireless internet access also available in all guest rooms. Area beaches are within a short drive from the Los Angeles LAX Motel 6. Within 9.9 miles of the hotel, guests can explore Beverly Hills or watch a sporting event at the Staples Center Arena. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.